Guys, today I want to talk to you about a magic pill. No rain. This is Naren conquering communication with you all. And what is a magic pill? Let's say you have a headache, you go to the pharmacy, you buy a cheap pill, pop it in, and your headache is gone. Just like that, I want to talk to you about a magic pill that costs nothing. You don't have to go to the pharmacy for it. But in times when you have a very sad mood or your energy is very low, you can use this magic pill to bring yourself back up. And that magic pill is so talked about but underutilized. I call that gratitude. The attitude of gratitude is that magic pill. Here is a story of a buddy of mine who's an aerospace engineer in California sharing his story about gratitude. Do give it a listen, and I'm looking forward to hearing back from you guys. Much love.
Hey Naren, I saw your post this morning where you posted a quote from Germany, Kent, and she says, "It's a funny thing about life. Once you begin to take note of the things you are grateful for, you begin to lose sight of the things that you lack." And I absolutely agree with that, and I have a great story for you where this really helped me. So, unfortunately, it's not uncommon in California for you to see cars with broken windows where people are trying to break into the car and steal valuables that may be visible from outside. So, something similar happened to me. I made sure there was nothing valuable in my car that could be seen from outside, but someone broke the window of my car to reach out and fold the rear seat and check if there was something valuable in the trunk that they could steal. And yeah, like someone broke the window of my car, and I was absolutely gutted because, well, now I have to pay for the repair. I can't use my car for a couple of days because driving around with a broken window is a problem and all of that. But then once I was done reporting it to the police and figuring out what needs to be done, talking to the service center and all of that, um, and I was driving back home, I just had this thought like I still have a nice car for myself, and I can still get it fixed. Like it'll cost me money, but I can still pay for it, get it fixed. It doesn't stop me from doing a lot of things that I need to do or want to do. And I genuinely felt like I should be grateful for having a car, being able to afford the car and afford all these other things that I want in life. And yeah, there's a problem, but then I can fix it. And genuinely, like once I had this feeling of being grateful for having a car, I wasn't sad anymore. It took me like an hour or something after the incident to have this realization, but I wasn't sad anymore. And a couple of days later, I got the car fixed and haven't felt bad about it at all ever since. So completely agree with the quote you shared. Once you take note of the things that you're grateful for, you do begin to lose sight of things that you lack.